closer to your side. Take a page out of my story. I don't mind. Keep it steady, never falter.
That's Old Church, folks. Very windy day, so bear with me on this one. Still have to come out even though it is windy. Beautiful looking. Just come through the gate, as you can see there. Nice old gateway. Beautiful looking church. Like I said, folks, it is very windy today. 50-mile-an-hour winds. I'm still out having a little wander, getting the fresh air. Beautiful little church. Another one I just thought I'd have a little visit of. Beautiful looking. Whole bell tower up there. Really nice. They think it's going to be open, folks. Unfortunately, we never know. No, not that lucky today. Them gargoyles. Cool looking faces. Another one there. Lovely windows. Nice looking place. All the graves there. Where we came in. Wind blowing all the trees. All the autumn colours slowly coming. Just a little view from the side. Nice windows. Nice building. All these old graves though. In loving memory, Richard Woodhouse, 1911, 69 years old. Sad, rest in peace. It's a nice pathway into it there, where you walk up. It's right outside the front doors I am. So I'll keep walking round. Beautiful little place. Very nice. Nice big grave there. Huge. Cool looking place though, folks. Another little church we visited. Got a nice little photo for us. Beautiful looking. Visited a few churches lately. Definitely something to visit. Them graves there. Well smart. All decayed. Can't even see a date on that one. All eroded away. Beautiful little place. Good old church. Shame we couldn't get in. Anyway, I'll call it here. Speak to you all soon. Bye for now.
I see mistakes I've made.